Good morning, dear students. I already have given the introduction about the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. Today I will explain the lines, and before explaining the line, I want to say that long videos cannot be sent due to the network problem. That's why today I will explain only two parts of the poem. Far, far from gusty waves, these children's faces, like rootless weeds, the hair torn round their pallor. Gusty means blowing strongly, fresh air. Rootless means uprooted, without root. Like rootless weeds, the hair torn round their pallor. The tall girl with her waist down head, the paper seeming boy, torn round, scattered around in disorder. Pallor means pale faces, waist down, depressed due to the burden. Paper seeming, looking thin, weak, stunted, undeveloped, not fully grown. Unlucky, unfortunate. The stunted unlucky here of twisted bones, reciting a father's gnarled disease, his lesson from his desk at back of dim class. Unlucky, unfortunate here successors. Twisted, bent, distorted, reciting. Gnarled means naughty. Disease, dim, not clear. Unnoted, not marked or not noticed. Unnoted, sweet and young, his eyes live in a dream of a squirrel's game in the tree room other than this. Unnoted, not marked or not noticed. A squirrel. Tree room place made in the trees where squirrels are going, coming out, again going, they are playing a squirrel's game. In this part, the poet is describing that the children are sitting in the classroom of the slum school. They are far, far away from the winds. The disorderly and unkempt hair, scattered hair on their pale faces look like rootless wild plants. The tall girl who is sitting there is depressed. She keeps her head down. The boy who is sitting in a corner is very thin, very weak. His eyes are bulging out like those of the rat. His growth is blocked and the body remains undeveloped. They are very weak, they are very thin. He inherits twisted bones. Actually, he is not reciting a lesson from his desk. They are enumerating the knotted disease, the gnarled diseases of his father. A sweet young boy sits at the back of the dark room, and his unnoticed dream seems to be alive in his eyes. He dreams of outdoor games outside, his dull and drab classroom. He dreams of a squirrel's game, playing games in a hollow of the tree, in the hole of the tree. It means that we have found that the faces of the children of this slum school look yellow color, pale, Their uncombed hair look like rootless wild herbs. The burden of misfortunes has depressed and bent down the head. A lean and thin boy having a rat's eyes will inherit twisted bones.